Good day to you. Welcome to TEYES Malaysia. I'm Daniel here today. I will be unboxing TEYES CC4 Pro, very new model of 2025. At the same time, we have the accessories for TEYES CC4 Pro, which is the mic, front and the rear digital camera. So let's go. This is the CC4 Pro. What we have here, there's a card. Here we go. So these are the standard accessories for CC4 Pro. So this is the active 3-way 8-channel output. It supports external SIM card. So for those audiophile that you like to have an advanced audio system, so this is one of your, I would say this is one of your best choice that you can get in the market today. It comes with 3 USB port, Wi-Fi antenna, the two cable for the signals. This is the analog, and this is the new one in the industry, dual band antenna. It actually has a better and accurate GPS, the first in the industry. So here we go. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye.